Actor Huang Bo steps onto the sprawling floor of the Sarah's Superfactory and is immediately greeted by the chairman of Sarah's Auto, along with a sleek, bipedal humanoid robot. This is Xiaosai, Sarah's newly unveiled embodied AI robot, acting as the official tour guide. The video immediately highlights Xiaosai's advanced capabilities as it uses high-definition visual recognition to instantly identify Huang Bo, welcoming him with a fluid, natural voice interaction that feels remarkably human.
汪老师好，我是小赛，今天由我带您参观，认识更多机器人朋友。
As they walk side by side through the massive facility, the video gives us a masterclass in near-total automation. Xiaosai gestures toward the production lines, where a meticulously choreographed system of over 3,000 robots is hard at work. The most mind-blowing moment comes at the quality control station. Here, a specialized embodied AI inspection robot is shown scanning 162 individual screws on a vehicle chassis. It completes the entire process in a blistering 5 seconds with 100% accuracy, a tedious task that would take a human inspector at least 5 minutes. Xiaosai itself is powered by a high-performance neural processing unit and a dedicated GPU built on the Huawei Ascend architecture, which handles complex spatial reasoning and autonomous decision-making on the fly. Furthermore, the Sarah's Superfactory is not just a place where these robots work, as it is a massive, closed-loop training ground. Every single day, Xiaosai learns from the millions of data points generated by the 3,000 other machines around it. Sarah's is moving aggressively to bring this technology out of the factory and into the real world. They are officially rolling out these bipedal and wheeled embodied AI robots within 2026.